To properly remove an app so that it doesn't leave cookies or tracking connections on your phone, and you don't make the mistake of just uninstalling it and then leaving those trace elements behind. So this is Android. You will long press the app you want to uninstall, hit the little I, letter I in the circle. It takes you to the app information. If your notifications are not blocked, block them. If you have permissions allowed, go in and disallow everything it asks for. Click remove permissions if app is unused. This is so that it leaves no settings on your phone. Some of this might not be necessary for certain apps. Some people might disagree with what I'm saying for little trivial disagreements, but I'm telling you how to not miss anything. The set as default, it has nothing to do with the app unless you have set it as a default. If you've set it as a default, then unset it. Go to the mobile data, take away allow background usage in case they've installed anything that remains and uses your background data to continue to track you. Hit your battery and make it restricted. Go to storage, clear cache, clear data. You only have to hit force stop on highly aggressive apps, and that should be the first thing you do on a highly aggressive app. But if you have just an ordinary or less aggressive app, you don't have to hit the force stop, but I recommend hitting it so that it doesn't change anything, because I have watched settings be changed right before my very eyes when on an aggressive app if I don't hit force stop first. That could just be a good thing, is to hit force stop first. But sometimes when you hit force stop first and you go in and change settings, it resets what it's remembering. So kind of adapt it to the way that the setting behaves. If you run into things like that, you might find that you change the battery setting and then force stop is ready again. You click force stop, you go into storage, you clear the storage, and then force stop is ready again. That's why I do it last most generally. You will notice it if it is a aggressive app, and you can test it by just hitting force stop, making a change or two. If the force stop comes back, then you have a highly aggressive app. Keep it force stopped. Or Android's weird. It works different on different phones models, but that's what I'm telling you. So we're at this point. We've done all those things. Now just hit uninstall. You've cleared all of its trackers. You've stopped everything that it could use if anything was left behind. You've removed the cookies and the files on your phone. I hope that helps. That's it.